Paint bucket and ink bottle tools. Paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool allows us to fill empty areas, change the color of already filled objects, and apply solid gradient and bitmaps image. For example, draw one rectangle on the stage and it is filled with a green color. Now we wish to change that fill color. Now let's choose gradient color from the fill color option and select Paint Bucket tool from the toolbox. Its shortcut is the letter K. Now click in the shape and we'll get the color which has been chosen. Note the changes in the fill color of the object. Properties of Paint Bucket are fill color. Now we can fill solid color, gradients, and bitmaps. Place one bitmap image on the stage and break the image. It will be displayed in Fill Color option. Now place one rectangle with or without fill color. Next, select Paint Bucket tool and choose that image from Fill Color from the Properties panel, and then click on the shape. Oh my, our shape has been filled with the image. Now we can see the options of Paint Bucket. They are Gap Size and Lock Fill. Now gap size can be Don't Close Gaps. Now, this option will allow us to manually close gaps before filling the object. Close Small Gaps. This option will close small gaps in the object by filling. For example, draw one shape. Select Paint Bucket tool and choose this gap size. And then we can click, we're able to close the gap. Close medium and close large gaps. These will fill gaps of medium and large size. If the gaps are too large, we need to close them manually. Lock Fill option lets us fill an object with a gradient and solid color. If we select the option, fill will be locked and object filling is not possible. Ink Bottle tool. Ink Bottle tool allows us to change or apply the stroke color of an object. This is the Ink Bottle tool, and the shortcut is the letter S. Place an oval and rectangle in the stage. Select the tool, and let's select the stroke color from Properties panel. As we click over the shape, stroke color gets altered. Now please note that Ink Bottle tool does not alter the fill color of an object. The properties of Ink Bottle tool are stroke color, height, style, and edit style. We can also alter the hinting, scale, cap, and join. We've discussed all these in previous tutorials, so select style as dashed and type stroke size as 3. Use the tool and note the difference. This tool does not possess any options. Hence, we can fill an object with solid, gradient, and bitmap and change the stroke color of objects.